Welcome to another week of What's for Dinner. My name is Andrea, and in my household, there's me, my husband, and our handsome little boy. On our channel, I make simple meals using convenient pantry and freezer staples. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, Howard grilled some hamburgers. These are just beef patties from Sam's, the frozen kind, that we had in our freezer. So this is Howard's plate, as you probably already guessed. He's got some avocado on there. We've got some pepper jack cheese, of course the burger, and then he did grill the buns on the grill as well. And then I just fried some Ore-Ida French fries. And then here's my plate, and I've just got some cheese on there, the pepper jack cheese, and then I've just got some mustard and ketchup. Quick and easy meal tonight, and we will see y'all next time. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, Howard grilled some short ribs. We had them in the freezer, and normally I make short ribs Asian style. This time I decided to try something a little bit different. I had this seasoning in my pantry that I needed to use, and it's a chili garlic salt. And it's pretty good, has a little bit of a kick to it. Here are some of the ingredients that are in it, and it has a good flavor. And then we had some fresh broccoli in the fridge, so I seasoned it with this bacon salt. So it kind of has a smoky flavor. There are no pork products in here if you're wondering, but it does have like the flavors of bacon. So it has the sugar and onion, it has the smokiness, so it's pretty good. And then we had some leftover combination fried rice in the fridge, and I wanted to use it, so we're just having that with the rest of our dinner tonight. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and we will see y'all next time. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we are having Mexican food. I steamed some tamales from H-E-B, which is a grocery store in Texas. I had these in my freezer, and they are actually really good. We've had their tamales before and really enjoyed them. So they are jalapeno and Oaxaca cheese tamales. And then we've got some pinto beans on the side, and they're just canned pinto beans, and I use this seasoning with them. And then for my red rice, I used one of these packets of seasoning from Mia Rose. Really good. They have a red rice and a white rice, and I like them both. And then we've got some hot salsa right on top from H-E-B, which is right here. So we're going to be trying this out for the very first time tonight. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and we will see y'all next time. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we are having grilled thin cut ribeye. I picked this up from Jovi Smart on a recent grocery haul, and I'll make sure to link it in the description box. They have meat for super cheap. But the seasoning that I used on the steak is this Uncle Chris's Gourmet Steak Seasoning. We really like it a lot and have been using it for years. I also put in the air fryer a huge baked potato that we are splitting, and there's butter and salt on there. And then we're also going to have a little side salad. We're going to put the salad dressing on our salads once we get to the table, just using this light creamy Caesar from Ken's. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and we will see y'all next time. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, Howard made a flatbread pizza for us. So we are using this Stonefire 2-pack of flatbread, but since we're both trying to eat better, we're just splitting one. So we've got sauce on there, of course, and then we've got cheese. And for the meat, that's not pepperoni, it's actually salami that we had in the fridge that we needed to use. And then that sprinkling that you see right on top right there is this tomato basil seasoning that I found at the Dollar Tree a while back ago. Now, every time I have pizza, I have to have this sprinkling, the seasoning on top. It is so good. So anyway, this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and we will see y'all next time.